Your 2018-2020 Honda Odyssey key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, readily available online or at auto parts stores for around $13. When your fob's range decreases or stops working, it's likely time for a replacement. To replace the battery, locate the small slot or seam on your fob. No screws are involved. It's a snap-open design. Use a flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting which side is up, the positive side. Insert the new CR232 battery with the positive side facing the same way as the old one. Snap the fob back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. For safety, avoid touching the circuit board with metal tools to prevent short circuits. Work in a dry area to minimize static electricity risks. Incorrect battery orientation is a common issue that can cause immediate failure. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, the internal capacitor may be dead, or it might need reprogramming via your vehicle's keyless entry system. This is rare but possible. Extreme weather can affect battery life, with cold climates in particular causing faster drain. Consider annual checks if you live in such areas. While Honda currently uses CR2032 batteries, the automotive industry is trending toward longer-lasting and rechargeable batteries in key fobs. Some manufacturers are even integrating key functionality into smartphone apps, potentially phasing out traditional fobs in the future. For now, DIY battery replacement remains a cost-effective solution for your 2018-2020 Honda Odyssey.